स्वागत है आपका पूर्वांचल लाइफ में। शहर आपका, खबर हमारी, सबसे तेज सबसे आगे। आप देख रहे हैं पूर्वांचल लाइफ। छोटी बड़ी खबरों को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करें, शेयर करें, साथ में बेल आइकन को जरूर दबाएं।
A global business, and it's just been amazing some of the things that we've discovered with our innovation scientists working to be able to extend life. I'm 84 years of age and still very fit, working out, playing tennis, playing golf, enjoying life, because there's just so much to do in a lifetime. And from New Zealand, I had a farming background, and I realised the importance of the first milk that every mammal produces to transfer immunity. It's called colostrum, and this is our $1 billion selling breakfast beverage that we market around the world. But colostrum transfers a software program. It upgrades the immune system so that it's functioning at optimum. And if you've got an allergy, your immune system's dysfunctional. If you've got a headache, your immune system's dysfunctional. Don't take a painkiller. If you've got indigestion, your immune system's dysfunctional. There's only one substance on the planet Earth that can help boost and restore immune function, and that's the mother's first milk, 3 days, and it's a transfer of all of that immunity in the software program.
How much price?
Very interesting.
How much price?
What is the price? What is the price of Devin Hunt with us? And he's come all the way from the United States. So Devin, tell us something about yourself, something about the company that you work for.
Hello world, it's nice to be a part of the Passion Vista event. One of the things that drew the attention of Passion Vista was the idea of a pandemic and injuries while getting in and out of bathtubs. While we understand that showers do not provide the solution to such an elementary problem, Hunt Innovations has introduced to the world the only product that actually prevents or stops injuries while getting in and out of bathtubs. This is very important because there are a lot of people, as you see many of the speakers today talking about injuries that are related to this and nothing that's been provided that would actually help. But this gives people a sense of independence, a sense of comfort and safety in knowing that should something happen during their rehabilitation or even in the elderly stage, they've got peace of mind to know that the soft side is there to prevent the injury at all costs. In the United States, we have over 170,000 people that are injured and rushed to the ER every single year, and of those 170,000, 40,000 are actually admitted into the hospital for long-term care due to slips and falls into with bathtubs. So it's something that we really are excited about, and our mission is to not only stop the injuries from happening, but also to make the soft side a mainstay to the bathroom, as well as you would find with a shower curtain, if you will. So the soft side is not just a safety item, but it also provides beauty and comfort in a place that there never was. So we really look forward to everyone going to the website, Hunt Innovation, huntsoftside.com, so that you'll learn more about the product itself and its availability to your
सिप का अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया है आपको, किस तरह की, किस लिए आपको मिला है?
ये बिजनेस इनोवेटर का अवार्ड है। ताकि ये इनोवेटर का अवार्ड उसके लिए है जिसने बिजनेस की दुनिया में कुछ नया किया। हमने रिस्क मैनेजमेंट को पूरी तरह से रीइमेजिन किया हुआ। जैसे आप मीडिया से हैं, आपके मीडिया में आप कभी कभी कोई ऐसी न्यूज़ कवर कर जाते हैं जो काफ़ी पर्सनल है, संशयास्पद है। तो इसमें क्या हो जाता है कि आपके जो बॉसेस हैं, जो प्रिंट करते हैं, पब्लिश करते हैं, जो भी करते हैं, उनके सामने एक सवाल खड़ा हो जाता है, ये पब्लिश करेंगे तो क्या हमको नुकसान हो जाएगा, क्या हमारा रेपुटेशन पे डैमेज होगा? तो ये जो है इसको रिस्क मैनेजमेंट का फंक्शन दिया जाता है।
Yes.
और आज तक दुनिया में जितने भी रिस्क मैनेजमेंट फंक्शंस हुए हैं सबने कहा ये छोटा है वो बड़ा, लेकिन छोटा और बड़े का फर्क हम दोनों के आसपास कौन नहीं समझ सकता। अब मेरे लिए 5 लाख रुपए का खर्चा बड़ा है, हमारे साहब के लिए 5 लाख रुपए का खर्चा कुछ भी नहीं। सो ये छोटा और बड़े से हम दूर हटके हमने हर रिस्क को एक नंबर दिया है। नंबर के हिसाब से वो किसके पास जाना चाहिए, कौन अप्रूव करना चाहिए, कैसा ट्रैक होना चाहिए, पूरा का पूरा एप्लीकेशन बना है। ये आज के तारीख में हर छोटे बड़े कंपनी के लिए काम करता है और इसको हम ये प्लेटफॉर्म पे लॉन्च कर रहे हैं। इसका नाम है साइबर रिस्क गार्ड प्रो।
क्या
So I'm doing several things at the same time. My main occupation is working for DazaPay, which is a payment institution, providing support from Singapore but to India and others. We allow for cross-border payments and help for the people with that. My role is more to be on the chief compliance and legal, so I support to get license, ensure that we don't have any problems with anti-money laundering, and also that support them to be approved and help people with that. Besides that, I'm doing also some support to different companies who want to have a strong governance, especially what they do business all around the world, with main targets Japan, Europe, Singapore, and India.
वाओ सुपर सुपर नाइस सर थैंक
Thank you, Alan, with us over here. And Vincent has his own venture called Grab Industries. And Vincent, tell us more about your organization, please.
Sure. The name of my company is called Valve Industries. I founded it during the pandemic. As I talked to you before about it on the stage, we founded the company to respond to the growing need of broadcast systems and AV systems and IT systems that don't all speak the same language, and to help them speak the same language and to build those systems. We've built some of the biggest systems and some of the biggest financial and legal practices in the world back in the United States, working on projects like Greece's bicentennial. We supported that and a number of other things. The secondary reason for us founding was to address issues in the industry where women aren't given their just due, and so to develop some training protocols and some curriculums to help young kids and some preferring young girls to learn the tools of the trade, so that hopefully in due course we'll be able to change the dynamic around when they see and the work that's available to them.
Asian African Chamber of Commerce and Industry and also President for Unified Brains. आज हमारे यहाँ पे ग्लोबल बिजनेस लीडरशिप फोरम 2024 का आयोजन किया गया था, जहाँ पे देश विदेश से काफ़ी सारे तादाद में आप ये कह लीजिए कि लगभग 40 से ऊपर इंटरनेशनल डेलीगेशन आई हुई है यहाँ पे। कुछ लोग हमारे अफ्रीका में केन्या से वो भी आए हुए हैं, और हमारे इथियोपिया के जो हाई कमिश्नर हैं वो भी यहाँ पे पधारे हैं। और बेसिकली देखिए ऐसा है कि कोई भी अवार्ड इसीलिए आयोजित किया जाता है कि जहाँ हम लोगों का उत्साह बढ़ाएं, लेकिन मैं ये कहूँगा कि यहाँ से हम लोगों के द्वारा बोले गए स्पीचेस से प्रेरणा भी ले सकते हैं, जिनसे हम आगे सीख लेना चाहते हैं कि किस तरीके से बिजनेस को ग्लोबलाइज किया जाए, किस तरीके से आप इस अपने बिजनेस को और आगे लेकर के जा सकते हैं। और आप यहाँ पे ग्लोबल नेटवर्किंग एक ऐसा मंच हमने खड़ा किया है आज, जहाँ पे आप एक दूसरे से मिलकर के बातें कर सकते हैं और आप अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को, अपनी सर्विसेज को देश विदेश में लेकर के जा सकते हैं।
ओके मैम, आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं? इतना सक्सेसफुल हो रहा है, बताइए कुछ, आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं?
कार्यक्रम को लेकर कैसे देख रहे हैं?
सर्टेनली हम लोग बहुत